Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be looking at my Mac Mini M2 server that I just set up when I got my new M4 Mac Mini. So I'm just using that as a dedicated server now. It is running without a monitor, so we have to go in here to Remote Desktop, and this is just the Apple Remote Desktop app. And right here, Mac Mini Server, we can go to Control, and it will connect and open up, and we can log in right here. And I'm doing two different things with this. It is running BlueBubbles, so it is a BlueBubbles server, so I can use iMessage on all my Android devices without having to switch back and forth. It goes through my phone number, and everything is just right there. So it runs the server for that. So any messages that go from my phones, my Android phones, go through BlueBubbles and get sent out via messages on this Mac, basically. Then I am doing a storage server, so all these right here are different volumes on one drive. If we go into disk utility here, they're all on the same drive. They are just different volumes, so you can add a volume right here, and that's what I have done. So I just have one for, I'll show you what content cache is here in a second, but I have a Mac Mini backup for the Mac Mini Time Machine, a MacBook Pro backup, which is my MacBook Pro Time Machine, server backup, which backs up this server right here, and then storage, which is just a general storage folder, which is where I'm actually recording this screen recording to right now, and then just music for my streams, copyright free stuff, platform tools, which is for Android, Pixel ROM, which goes along with platform tools for side-loading ROMs, and logos, which is just the logo I use in my videos. I just store it on here so I can access it on my iPad or my computer, my laptop. It doesn't matter where I am. If I'm on the network, I can get to it. So I have that. And then the content cache, what that is, if we head down here to sharing and content caching, is this caches iCloud content, App Store updates, and software updates. As you can see, it hasn't cached too much right here yet, but it'll cache, like if a computer downloads an update, it'll cache that update, and then if another computer goes along and needs that update, instead of having to download it from the internet again, it's locally stored on the network on this Mac, and the computer can download it from there instead of having to re-download it from the internet. So saves bandwidth, increases the update speeds and stuff like that because it's already on the local network and it can do it all from right there. So that's what I'm doing with my M2 Mac Mini now that I have the M4 Mac Mini for my main desktop use. And it's been working great so far. Haven't had any problems with it. I've got it set to a static IP. I can access it right here on Remote Desktop if I need to control anything or do anything like that. And it's working pretty well. So that is that. That's what I'm doing with my M2 Mac Mini, using it as a little server for a couple different things. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Have a great day.